Hey there guys, this is John and Josh once again from StarV Tech Support, and we just wanted to make a really quick video to show you guys how to unlatch the hood on the Sirius if all the other options are not working. Let's say if the hood latch doesn't work or the release button. So we're going to show you real quick how you do this, and this is, remember, this is if every other option doesn't work. We're going to have Josh activate the latch, and we're going to substitute a screwdriver so we can show you what the hood, this latch would be doing, and then we're going to show you which button that we need to push to release it. So bear with us just right now. We're going to show you with a screwdriver. And as you can see right here, Josh is going to substitute a screwdriver to depress the latch. And then I'm going to slide over to show you there's a little button that we're looking to push down on right there, and that releases the catch. So the screwdriver is taking the place of the catch that's right here on the bottom of the hood. What we're going to do now is we're going to show you from the inside of the car how we're going to reach through using a wire and press that same button down in there. That's what we're looking to reach. So guys, right here, what we need to do is first we're going to remove the cup holder, and then this cowl vent right here has 3 screws underneath it. We'll show when we pry this up. There's 1, 2, 3 screws. Each of those has a 10mm nut under the bottom. We're going to remove those and remove this piece along with the cup holder, and then we'll come back and show you what we're looking at through the little space that we've created there. To remove the cup holder, we're going to use a small plastic trim tool to pop the tabs that come under the bottom of it. Then we're going to lift up on the cowl vent. That just pops out with 6 different little black tabs under the bottom. And these are the screws that I was telling you about. So this is the middle one. Underneath there is a 10mm nut, and then that holds the, there's a little metal piece that's under here also. It's just like a little support. So we're going to let Josh get those nuts off of there and get everything disconnected, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so let me show you the tool that we made. It's basically just the same thing as if you had a coat hanger. On this end is just a way that you can turn it by using your hand here. This is the little finger that we're going to use once we're have it inside the hood, and then that's what's going to press down on the little release button. So now we have the cowl vent taken out. We also have the cup holder taken out, and if you look right inside of there, there's a foam piece that is part of the cooler lining inside of the hood, so, or trunk rather. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull a little bit back on the piece of foam, and then that will allow our flashlight to go right in here. Then that is going to allow us to look all the way down, and hopefully, let me see if I can move this closer. You will see inside of there is our latch all the way down at the bottom. So what we're trying to do is reach around the back side of that and press down on that same button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch sides. We're going to pop the hood, and then I'm going to show you the tool coming through from the other side so you can see what it's doing, what we're reaching for. From this end, we're going to show the tool coming through. And we have the hood open now, but you're going to do the same exact thing with the hood closed, and we're pushing on that same little button. And because you're in a confined space, it's going to take a few little tries, but you can see that it already released. So that's the same thing that we're going to do. Now what I'm going to do is repeat the same thing with the hood closed, but we just wanted to show you from this side what it would look like. Okay, so now Josh is going to reach in there, do the same thing that we just did. And like I said, it may take a couple tries, but as long as you push down on that manual release, it'll allow the hood to open. And there you go. So that is a way that we kind of came up with in case the cable is broken or the electronic button, either of those. If they don't operate, this is a way you can get the hood open without damaging any of the trunk area, or you don't even damage any of the foam or anything else. So it's a way that makes it a lot easier. Once you have this open, then you can replace the cable, you can replace the button, whatever that you need to. That kind of lays out how you can get the hood open even if none of the latches or anything that like that work. This is something that does happen from time to time, and we have a new Sirius service manual that will show you how to replace that cable and also the button in case you need to replace either of those. The one thing that we do want to stress is, if you are looking to become the best at your craft, at what you're doing from day to day out in the service bay, you're going to want to subscribe to the channel so that you can see these kind of videos where we're sharing this kind of information, making your job way easier, quicker, letting you be able to get the job done and move on to the next one. So from Sirius Tech Support, we'll let you guys get back to work.